Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying these two lines of the 9th page of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. And this is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. Okay, so the first letter is Qaf, the second one is Fa, the third one is Lam. Qaf, Fa, Lam. Qaf, Fa, Lam. The first letter is Ya, the second one is Fa. Ya, Fa, Ya, Fa. And this is Mim on its own. Mim, Mim. As another way of writing Mim. Mim, Mim. The first letter is Ha, the second is Mim. Ha, Mim. Ha, Mim. The first letter is Lam, the second one is Mim. Lam, Mim. Lam, Mim. The first letter is Ta, the second one is Mim. Ta, Mim. Ta, Mim. The first letter is Ta, the second one is Mim, the third one is Ta. Ta, Mim, Ta. Ta, Mim, Ta. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will practice those two lines 10 times to give you enough practice, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.